The KBS Pro 710 bread maker offers an impressive 17 different programmable settings, making it versatile for baking various types of bread and even non-bread items like yogurt and cake. Fitted with a food-grade ceramic pan, this bread maker ensures even heat distribution and enhances the aroma of the bread, providing a healthier and tastier loaf. With an automatic nut dispenser and a 15-hour delay timer, this machine allows for the convenience of fresh bread ready whenever you want it, without the need to wake up early. The intuitive digital touch panel and sleek stainless steel design make this bread maker both user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing, while also ensuring durability. Advanced baking technology and a 710-watt power output contribute to efficient and quick baking, producing bread with a perfect crust and texture every time. Included with the bread maker are 53 chef-crafted recipes and multiple accessories, providing everything you need to start baking and experimenting right away.